Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your pre-departure checklist with CIEE step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all the necessary documents for your trip. Check your passport's expiration date to ensure it's valid for at least 6 months after your return date. Verify if you need a visa for your destination country and apply well in advance if necessary. Review any health and vaccination requirements specific to your destination. Make a list of recommended vaccinations and schedule an appointment with your healthcare provider. Confirm that you have travel insurance that covers health emergencies and trip cancellations. Create a packing list tailored to your destination's climate and activities. Include essential items such as clothing, toiletries, and any necessary electronics. Consider bringing a first aid kit with basic supplies to handle minor health issues. Prepare any necessary academic materials if you're studying while abroad. Check your financial situation and notify your bank about your travel plans to avoid issues with your cards. Set a budget for your trip and make sure you have a mix of cash and card options. Research local customs and cultural practices to ensure a respectful travel experience. Make copies of important documents, including your passport, visa, and insurance details. Store digital copies of these documents in a secure cloud service for easy access. Arrange accommodations in advance and confirm your bookings prior to departure. Organize local transportation options upon arrival, such as airport transfers or public transportation details. Familiarize yourself with emergency contact numbers for your destination. Reach out to your CIEE program coordinator for any last-minute questions or clarifications. Review your pre-departure checklist one last time before you leave. Ensure you have everything packed and ready for your exciting journey ahead. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.